these nuts. Stair treads.
Come on, man.
Ready?
Yep.
What are those pieces? I got the knife.
Let me flex my muscles.
Okay, we've got a super exciting day. This is the day that we start on the spiral stair. We have a 60-inch spiral stair. We've got to install the center post. We got the bottom plate, center post, stair treads, spindles, handrail, and all the hardware that we're gonna need to connect. All right, let's have some fun. What's going on here? Spiral stair kit, 2020 edition. It was the COVID edition.
Nice. I don't know if you might want to sterilize all that.
I'm gonna we're going to focus on setting our bottom plate and our center post and our risers, and that will actually give us something to walk from the first floor to the second floor. So first thing we're going to do is hold the landing up there and then run our plumb bob. In this case we're going to use our chalk line, mark where this bottom plate is going to go, and then we're going to follow this 15-step instruction on how to assemble the center post. So they no longer provide you with one single piece of steel. Now you have to take 15 steps to build the center post so that it will ship on a pallet. So let's try and have some fun. Let's have some fun.
Let's have some fun.
Okay, because we have a drywall wall, a sheetrock here, first thing we got to do is cut that. So we're basically just getting the height of this landing. This landing has to sit flush with the finished floor. This was 2 3/4. The finished floor is a 1/2 inch. So we basically need to get the multi-tool and mark off 2 1/4. We're just going to round up to 2 1/2, so we have a little margin for error in case we're not perfectly level up there. And then also we can just caulk that in at the end. So we're going to prep the wall, and then we will figure out where our bottom plate is going to land right here, and we'll probably do that by assembling our post. Not exactly sure how we're going to do it, but we'll figure it out. We don't have a plumb bob, so we're going to use the chalk line. Every chalk line can be used as a plumb bob. Ready?
Yep.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna find it. Here you go. I'll go to that. Yeah. Problem is that landlord is not taking it, so now.
Oh, the plumb bob's going to exit the scene. Stage rep. Mark your floor. Six inches to the
Middle.
looks like the top. It's not the bottom. I got the knife. Remember that one?
No.
You don't remember that?
No.
The golden child?
Let me flex my muscles.
Yeah, get a good flex. Is it gonna spin in there?
So you hit the nut. That can't be the nut already.
Mm-mm.
Oh, we're hitting the top. Yeah.
What do you call two nuts on a wall?
Walnuts.
What do you call two nuts on a chest?
Chestnuts.
What do you call two nuts on your chin?
Dick in your mouth.
You gotta say chin nuts. That's why you assemble it separate.
I don't see any big scratches. Oh. And this.
Is it in there or what?
No. Easy does it. Easy does it.
Alright, so we can tighten it. You got the socket, bro?
Oh, I got it. I'm just looking for yeah, you might have to pull it out a little bit, yeah.
Those things are about, what, 50 pounds a piece? It's like 600.
It's getting hot in here. Yeah. But you can't put a nut on top of this to tighten the whole pole together.
Together with this.
Oh, I guess that is the nut at that point. Sometimes you feel like a nut.
Sometimes you don't.
I don't see any big scratches.